welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to make brookies, a nice combination of cookies mixture and brownie mixture. So I'm really excited to make you guys. Before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe, and of course turn that post notification so you will of course get notified every time I post a video. Now, so let's get on with the video. So the first thing that you will of course need 120 grams of unsalted butter. This is for the cookie layer, by the way. Then you need 125 grams of light brown soft sugar. Then you will need 100 grams of dark sugar. And you will need one large egg, or just an egg. And then one yolk of an egg. And you will also need 250 grams of plain flour, half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, and 50 grams of milk chocolate chunks. Then now for the brownie mixture, you will need 185 grams of unsalted butter. Then you'll need 185 grams of dark chocolate, 3 large eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, cocoa powder, 275 grams of caster sugar, and you need 130 grams of plain flour, and of course 50 grams of milk chocolate chunks. So the first thing we've got to do is square 25 centimetre square tin cake lined with baking parchments. So I have already done that. Next you're going to treat the oven 180 Celsius, 160 Fahrenheit or gas 4. So I'm going to go and do that. The next thing you have got to do is we're going to make the cookie layer first. That's going to be the bottom, then it's going to be the brownie on top. So you're going to get a big bowl like this for the whisk. So you also need a hand whisk or something. Then you will need to put your butter, your 120 grams of butter, and your 2 kinds of sugar. So first let's put the light, and then let's put the dark. Then we're going to whisk that up until it's all combined in an electric whisk. So I'm going to go and see you when it's done, and that is what it is going to look like. So the next thing you have got to do, add your 1 egg and your 1 yolk. Then you're going to add your yolk. So now I'm going to go and put that back in the whisker. Okay guys, that is it all mixed in. Now we are going to add the 255 grams of flour and the bicarbonate of soda. And then we're just going to and also the chocolate chunks, of course. So we're going to mix that in together. And yes, it's about done now. That's what it looks like. So now I'm going to get your baking tray. I'm going to pour that in, and I'm going to squish it down with the back of our spatula. That is about done, so it's meant to look like that. Now I'm going to put that in the fridge for about 30 minutes. So I'm going to go and put it in the fridge, then I'll be back to you because we've got to do another step. So I'll see you when I'm done. We're moving on to the brownie layer. So we are going to just put some more water in the kettle. I'm just going to do that. So I'll come back when this is all nicely heated up. And now we put the boiling water in here. don't touch it. Now we're going to add the butter for our thing. And we're going to add the dark chocolate. I'm going to melt that for about 10-ish minutes on the hob, quite low. So yeah, I'll see you when it's all nicely melted. It is all nicely mixed in. Quite sure because it's really runny because it's nice mixed in. Next thing you've got to do, I'm going to leave it just in there. I'm going to take it out of this. Just going to pour the excess water away. There we go. So, now while we're waiting for that to cool, we're going to get your bowl again that you use when you're putting up the sugar and everything. So it's double, so you've got less things to wash up. You've got to whisk the eggs. It's got the 3 eggs, vanilla extract, and the sugar all in mixed together. Let's keep cracking the eggs. So there is 1 egg. There's 2 eggs. And where's the last one? Here. Some of an eggshell in there, so let's get that. And by the way, I have washed my hands. Oh, it's hot. Right. Then we're going to add the vanilla extract and the caster sugar. Now I'm going to whisk that up for 3 minutes. And then 3 minutes till it's all mixed and combined. So I'll be back when it's all mixed in. Probably should because it's so runny. But now we're going to wait a little bit because this is still not all the way cooked. The chocolate is still not cooled down yet, and we need to wait for it to cool down for about 10 minutes. So it's already been about 3 minutes. So still got a little bit left. But yeah, look how silky it is. But yeah, I'm going to come back to you when we are done. But I'll tell you what we're going to do after. Well, so we're going to fold in. I'm going to mix that up, fold it in and everything. And then we're going to add the cocoa powder and the flour in. And then at the top, we're going to add the chocolate chunks. So I'll see you when that is more cooled down. The cookie dough is ready, so let's go get it out. It has been half an hour, and that is what it looks like. So before we do any of that, now we are going to put this into the bowl. It's fine. I'm trying to get every little last piece. Right. Oopsie. Anyway, I'm just gonna leave the other camera short. Right, now we're just gonna mix this up. It's kind of already mixed up now, but now we're going to add the plain flour. And more chocolate cocoa powder. Wow. So it's all nicely mixed in. Now let's get this I'm going to fold this on top of it. Right. It's not all of it. That'll do. So now we're just going to, it's kind of already evenly spread it, but we're just going to evenly spread it. So now it is meant to look like that. And it looks absolutely amazing. Now we're going to add the chocolate chunks on just on top nicely. Oops. That's nice. There we go. So now we're going to put this in the oven for 50 to an hour minutes, or until the skewer inserts and the middle comes out with a few crumbly clinging onto it. So I'm going to put this in the oven and I'll see you when it is out of the oven. And that is what it looks like. If we added it for another 5, so we did it for 55 minutes altogether. And that is what it looks like. It looks delicious. Now we are going to just leave it to cool completely in here, and then we're going to cut it into squares, and then that is it. Amazing deliciousness. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and of course turn on that post notification so you of course get notified every time I post a new video. Now before I end this video, I want to give a huge shout out to Baker Graham Tutorials. So go and subscribe to them. The link in the channel will be in the description below. So yes, see you